Hi everyone, Sean here to show you how to set up a bot from scratch. So once you're logged in, you must have a standard subscription or higher to get started. You're going to click on Create New Bot. If you're here for automate a golf tee time, use that template here. There's a good chance that your course might be listed already, so go ahead and enter your name of your, and we're going to do Bradford here. So Bradford's not listed, so we're going to do course not listed. So again, this is instructions on how to set up a bot from scratch. So go ahead and name your bot. You can do whatever you want here, but the course name is definitely a good way to go. All right, for the URL, this is where the booking process starts. So, here's the Bradford Country Club page. I clicked on book a tee time to get us basically to where we're going to be started. I want to make sure we're logged out so we get the full process here. So let's take this URL and we are going to put it here, and now we're going to get started. So the important thing is we need to log every action you take in order for the bot to work correctly. So I'm going to do some filters here where I'm going to click 4 because I only want 4 players. I only want morning tee times. I only want 18 holes. We need to log each one of those clicks. So anything you're clicking will be logged in the botted side. So we're going to click 4. We're going to click button again. We're going to do morning. We're going to click button again. And we are going to put in 18. Great. Now we're ready to search the date. So this specific course releases tee time 7 days in advance at 7 p.m. Today's Tuesday, meaning, Tuesday is going to be the next release. So we're going to click pick a date. This is how we set the calendar. I'm going to set it to Saturday since the 29th is going to be the next Saturday available. And we can just call this anything. So, I'm just going to put 7 days advance, which helps us know how many days in advance it gets released. Repeat down here. We want to set this to weekly because I want this bot to run every Saturday for the following Saturday, and it'll just update automatically. Great. Uh, Next thing we're going to do, and I'm just going to change the date here, and you can see the tee times came up. So we want to select the tee time range. So this is a list. So we are going to select list item, and we will put in tee times. And I'm just going to put 7, 8, or 8, 9. So it doesn't matter how you configure this. Our team will make sure this gets set up properly. So just go ahead and click next. So we have the calendar, and then we have the tee time selector range. Great. So now the next thing we would do, obviously, is select the tee time we want. So we'll click on one of these. And, this is already set to 4. So really, again, just need to log everything we need to click. So let's say we need to click carts. So I'm just going to put in yes here. And then we will click book time. So again, click button, book time. All right. The next thing here is a login. So I'm just going to put test there for now. And, we'll go ahead and log in so we can continue showing the process. So great. So the next thing we're going to do now, again, is click book time. So we'll hit next on here. So we have our credit card information, or sorry, our login information saved. Click button, book time, click next, and we will click next again here as well. If there needs to be card information, obviously, so like let's not put any steps that we don't need in here. So we're just going to hit click button again, book time, and great. And we're done. So we'll click next here, and we'll expand this. Great. So let's go ahead and click done since we are done. Here's where you can put in your phone number for text or your email for email to get notifications. And I know that my tee times are released on Saturdays, so I'm clicking Saturday here. And this is the time of the day that tee times are released. So I'm going to say 7. Oops. So 7:00 p.m. Click next. My time zone is New York. Click finish. Click yes. And you've now completed a bot. Our team will now follow up with next steps. Thank you and have a great day.